In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate ID cards for your students on your learning space right on CloudNotte. All I need to do is to click on my class management found right on my main menu. I'm going to select the class and select the arm, and I'm going to click on student. On this interface, I have all the list of my students. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be selecting the students that I want to generate their ID card for. But if I want to generate for all the students, all I need to do is to click this icon here and all of them will be selected. So my next step is to click on my action icon right here. Next is to click on generate cards, and next is to click on ID cards. Okay, now we have 5 students right here that we want to generate ID cards for. All I need to do now is to click on print cards, and automatically my ID card have been generated for me. So on the ID card, I have the name of the school, the logo, the location, the name of the student, the unique child's ID, and behind the cards I have CloudNotte website, lost but found, and a unique code that they can use to return this card if it's misplaced. So once I'm sure that all these informations generated are correct, all I need to do is to click on download all to be able to download all these cards and have a soft copy of them. Or if I just want to download a single card here, all I need to do is to click on this download image on the card that I want to just print. So this is how you generate ID cards for your students or your staffs right on your learning space on CloudNotte. See you in the next video where I'll be teaching you how to generate account card for your students or users on CloudNotte.